Okay, first drop. I just dropped it. The bike went off and tried to start it, and then I didn't realize I had a rock so close, and when I went to accelerate, pushed me back and lost the balance. Slow fall, no problem. Everything good. Woo! This is challenging, man. Okay.
Okay, brother. Ready?
All right, hold on a second.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, put the stick.
Okay, I'm just taking a breather because I just saw this section right here and trying to see how the heck I'm gonna pass it. This is nothing but rocks. There's a little section right there that is too inclined. The bike is just gonna want to go down. It's too heavy. I know it. Man, I'm winded. We're 11,000 feet of altitude. I can barely walk and talk. I just decided I'm gonna go through the rocks, sitting down with my feet on the ground because I don't see going through the other side. It's just too challenging. So, okay, here we go. Okay. You skip the momentum. Holy shit. Oh, woo! It's getting even worse. How the heck are we supposed to pass that shit? Okay, I think through the left. Oh my goodness. I am in a very precarious spot. Holy shit. I'm next to that stream, man. Marico, estoy en un lugar que se me puede ir la moto para abajo. Okay. All right, we're gonna try this. We took most of the weight off the bike to help it, you know, make it easier. We dragged it down a little bit from where it was, and we can open a path, remove some rocks, and you know, hopefully we'll make it to the curve. The challenge is not so challenging there. Well, I just passed it. A lot easier this way. I can't believe I forgot to turn the camera on. I was so anxious. Oh well, it is what it is.
Okay, Oscarito. Keep the momentum, man. You can do this. Mantén momento, dale, dale, potencia. Vamos, momento, 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 potencia. Mantén la potencia, mantén la potencia. We did it, man.
We did it, dude. That was scary.
Now let's see what else this mountain has to throw at us.
Let's hope this is cherry on top.
Yeah, but something tells me that.
I don't know, but I think you're right about that.
Yeah.
That's a creek. That's a riverbed. And we're doing 10,500 feet right now. So any movement you do, you're winning.
All right. We made it to Marshall Pass, elevation 10,842 feet, part of the Continental Divide. Man, we made it through that stuff. Woo!
Okay, we made it to the Marshall Pass. Really challenging getting up there. Now we're going down the mountain, and it's very easy. I just saw a pickup truck. If he did it, well, we easily can make it back down, unless this trail divides. So let's see what it comes to.
Look how beautiful the aspens changing color. Look at the leaves flying off from the aspens. This is my second time in Colorado during the fall season. 3 years ago I came in October and it was even more yellow. And walking through those trails with all that yellow cast from the trees and the sun, to me, all I can think of is, this is what heaven should look like, because it's almost heavenly. Holy moly! Look at this. It's beautiful. All right, gotta get moving. up the mountain again. Man, the wind is blowing so hard, blowing me from the right side, and it's blowing me all over the place. So I'm just going fast to kind of break through it. I just stopped here because, you know, that formation of rocks over there is absolutely gorgeous. So weird. This is such a barren landscape right here. Very different than what we've been riding from. We've been coming from that way, from the east. And you can see it's a lot more green. Now this is a lot more barren. Hardly any trees. It's more like a tundra. But that's very unique. All those rocks, man, pretty cool. Very beautiful landscape, man. Wow. Very different. This landscape is just continuously changes and just gets more and more beautiful and more enchanting. It's unbelievable. How many times have I say unbelievable in this trip on a video? Like a million times already. To Lake City! Almost nighttime, but we made it. Woo, that was a ride today. One for the books, baby, one for the book. One of the best rides of the entire trip so far. Something wrong with this picture. We came straight to the liquor store, the only liquor store in town. It's like the bikes, no.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. What's going on? Look at the nice cabin we stayed at last night.
Oh yeah.
We needed a place where we could charge our batteries and for the cameras and the drone and all the stuff, so we decided to do a little cabin staying. So This is going to be a little bit of a challenging day. Actually, we're going to have the two highest passes on the trip, which is Cinnamon Pass and Ophir Pass. Looking forward to it, man. Good thing it's a good day. Should be nice and sunny, and we'll see. Well, that was a nice day, nice little cabins. Time to hit the road. Beautiful day. Let's put some gas, get something to eat, and then we'll be on our way.
We're at the Sportsman's Barbecue, and we're having the best buttermilk pancakes I've had in a long time. And we need this because it's gonna be tough right now after we get out of here. We're gonna do Cinnamon Pass, which is like 30 miles away. Probably one of the most challenging parts of this trip is gonna be this pass, passing that mountain. We did it 2 years ago, and we were 5. We lost 3 bikes in that pass. So hopefully, we're gonna have a crazy good time today.
Goodbye, town of Lake City, Colorado. One of the most remote towns in the entire country. That's what they say. I haven't double-checked that statement, but I heard it from a couple of different people. But it definitely is a beautiful town. I want to come back, man. Next time I want to be here with my wife and my kids. Beautiful. Now you know why it's called Lake City. Beautiful lake, man. That water's gotta be cold. Cinnamon Pass. Up ahead, baby. Here we go. All right, man. It's starting to get quite challenging. I'm a little worried that it looks kind of cloudy up there. And if it rains, and this thing gets muddy, it's not gonna be fun. Well, it just started to drizzle, which is exactly what I didn't want. I just hope it's a momentary thing. And we just passed through some very, very steep cliffs. I just couldn't even look to my left side. Come on, rain. Can you please just hold on? Okay, since we got a little break from the rain, I hope it stays this way. Because the little rain we got, man, I got cold. I have my zippers open, and that freaking rain is freezing. Oh, I think that's American Basin up there. That's where we camped 2 years ago. Beginning of July though, and it was in the 30s at night. I can only imagine camping right now where it's already cold. American Basin. Oh my goodness. Wow. What a sight. 11,340 feet. The actual trail is, we just deviated a little bit, but we just wanted to come and see American Basin again. We stay here and it brings some beautiful memories. All that face of the mountain was covered in snow. Man, what a challenge, brother. We haven't even reached the difficult part yet. Good? That was a little scary, huh?
Yeah.
Just keep the power going, keep it in first. Holy crap. This is not for the faint of heart, baby. Come on, come on, come on, baby, come on. Come on, we can do this. All the way to the top, come on. Woo! Oh yeah! Woo-hoo! Man! Shit, started to rain again when we're getting to the high pass. Come on. We gotta keep pressing forward, man. No time for, I wanted to do some different footage, different angles on the bike, but we gotta get through this fast. We already passed the first most challenging section, which was the switchback. Now it's the top, and then the third hardest part is the downhill. The downhill, man, once we reach the top, the downhill is tough. Cinnamon Pass, we made it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Cinnamon Pass elevation 12,640. Let's see how accurate my thing is. 12,622. Unbelievable.
We're getting snow a little bit.
Yeah, well, it's kind of like ice.
Yeah.
It's ice. Well, we made it one of the toughest passes, man. Okay.
We made it, guys.
We made it to Cinnamon Pass.
Scary as shit.
Yeah. But we actually didn't lose momentum, man.
No.
We just kept moving, kept pressing forward.
We never dropped the bike.
Thanks God, man.
Downhill is very challenging. It's very rocky, so hopefully,
You know, will be no issues, but we made it.
Hey amigos, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know what you think on the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and right on amigos!